Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Cosine of s to the power of 3 to the power of 7, we can write into cosine of s over 3 to the power of 6 multiplied by cosine of s over 3. Next, about this one, we can write into cosine s over 3 square everything to the power of 3, because number 2 and number 3 we have number 6. Next, we have the formula cosine s over 3 square plus sine s over 3 square equals to number 1. This is about trigonometric identity. So we put sine s over 3 square go to the right. So we have 1 minus by this one. So now we change cosine of s over 3 square into this one. And now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sine of s over 3. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, we have 1 over 3 cosine of s over 3 ds. Because we don't have number 1 over 3, so we multiply both sides by number 3. So we have 3 du equal to cosine of s over 3 ds. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equal to number 0, so we put number 0 in here. So we have u equals to number 0 when s equals to 3b over 2. So we put 3b over 2 in here. So we have u equals to number 1. The reason in here, if we put 3b over 2, number 3 divided by number 3, we have b over 2. Sine of b over 2, you got number 1. Now, number 0, we keep number 0. This one we change for number 1. This one we change for u, and that's about u to the power of 9. This one we change for u square. This one in here, we change 3 du. And now, we need to expand this one. U to the power of 9 multiplied by this one, this one, this one, and this one. So we will have about u to the power of 9 minus 3u to the power of 11 plus 3u to the power of 13. And the last one is about u to the power of 15. Now, the integration of u to the power of 9, we have u to the power of 10 over 10 minus 3u to the power of 12 over 12, 3u to the power of 14 over 14, and the last one and we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. And now we can get the final answer. So we have 3 over 560. This is the end. Thank you for watching.